Exceptional rat gon san bay, tuan tien niang oi one dame kai bay chu yen kuya. Njan vien nant yen. Best hotel for solo traveler. I stayed here just for a night. The location is near to DMK airport and I needed a place for a light sleep. And the staff there was nice and the hostel was very nice and beautiful. Worth the price. Best place for early flight. Exit 2. Cross the street and the hotel is right there. The price and the location are great. 2 things that you have to aware. 1. Just stairs to go up and go down for the station, it's a little bit high. No elevator or lift, maybe I didn't find it. 2. Everybody choose this hostel because all of them have the early flight in the morning. Therefore, there's noise around from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. equals, it's hard for you to have a good sleep. Unexpected short stay. I booked this hostel just for refresh myself before my night flight. The staff is very friendly, she arranged a bed close to the door for me to have an easy access. It was nice smell and so pleasant in the whole building and in every room, bathroom. Perfect location near Don Mueang Airport, my favorite location close to Don Mueang International Airport. Very close to airport, very easy to locate. Just cross the street and it's the airport already. A nice place near to airport as this was only short trip and early flight back on Sunday, it was a good choice. Will come again if I needed a place to crash. Fair skin. Comfy.